Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Gary, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 2 p.m. At 11:55 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located over Belmont Harbor, or over Montrose Harbor, moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver Crib, Calumet Harbor, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Belmont Harbor, Burnham Harbor, 59th Street Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, Diversey Harbor and Deuceable Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. The following is a marine weather statement from the National Weather Service. Strong thunderstorms over and approaching the waters.